Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can install or download and install the Facebook Messenger application in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices by just following a one easy simple process. So let's get started. So first, let's open your Microsoft Store, and we can do that by simply making a search here in the Windows search tab Microsoft, and you will see under apps we have here Microsoft Store, so just please click on that. And in my case, I have pinned my Microsoft Store in the taskbar, so I will just click on that and then it will now be open. So here in the Microsoft Store window, you will see a search tab at the very top portion or part. So once you see the search tab, please click on that, and then there we will type Messenger, and you will see the Messenger application here. So please click on that, and the moment you do that, you will now be able to install or download and install the Messenger application in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So just click on open, and then the Messenger window will be coming up on your screen, for example. And as you can see here, I have opened my Messenger, and since I have logged in my account, I won't be able to show it to you. So that's how you do it. That's a very simple and easy process. If you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.